Hey map lovers! Welcome back to the Tech Tip Nest. Today, we're adding a personal touch to your navigation experience by showing you how to change the color scheme of the map view on Google Maps. Whether you're feeling colorful or prefer something more low-key, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump into it. To get started, open the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you have access to all the color scheme options. In the upper right corner of the screen, tap your profile picture to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. On the new page that opens, look for Navigation Settings and click on it. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the Map Display section. Here, you can explore the different color schemes available, such as Default, Night, and more. Pick the one that matches your vibe, whether it's for a colorful adventure or better visibility during nighttime driving. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the color scheme of your Google Maps, giving your navigation experience a personal touch. If this guide helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching, and happy navigating with your personalized Google Maps.